The mysterious library book. Emma was a curious girl who loved reading. Every Saturday, she visited the town library to borrow a new book. One quiet afternoon, while browsing the shelves, she found a dusty old book tucked away in a corner. It had no title, and the pages shimmered faintly as she opened it. Inside, Emma discovered that the book didn't have words but blank pages. Disappointed, she put it back. But as she turned to leave, the book glowed and floated back into her hands. Intrigued, she decided to take it home. That night, Emma opened the book again. To her surprise, the pages began filling with words and pictures as she thought about her day. The book seemed to reflect her memories and feelings. Over time, Emma realized the book wasn't just a mirror of her life, it gave her advice. One day, when she felt unsure about standing up to a bully, the book showed her an inspiring story about bravery. Encouraged, Emma confronted the bully with kindness, and they became unlikely friends. Emma learned the book's true magic. It helped her grow and make better choices. She kept it as a cherished companion, reminding her that the best answers often come from within. Moral: the wisdom you seek is often already inside you.